Then you will create a table here. This table also give a line equal to center and cell padding somewhere 8 or 10. There you will create a TR. In that, one TD is required. Input type equal to text. Text. ID equal to fname. Placeholder equal to name. So person will enter his name here. And one more TD. Name, mobile, education. Name, mobile, video, education. Then age and experience. Age and experience. Age and exp. Age, experience. 5 fields we have, or more than that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 are there. One more is called city. So 3 you keep in one TR. 3 you keep in one TR. The remaining 3 we can keep in another TR. So 2 row will get created. We can add one more field here called city. City, and after table there will be button called, write it here first. Yeah, ready? So look at this. Now button will be here. Add the button in the next year. We can add the button in the next year. Add one more here. TH all is span equal to 3. Button user list and one more button called function 2. Save user list user. List user. Okay, so ready? Something like this. List user is showing the list. Save user will help us to add the new user. Name, mobile, education, age, experience, and city. So check now, your table is ready. Now JavaScript we have to write function 2. Function 1 is helping us to list the data. Function 2 will help us to add the data. Okay. Make sure you are given the proper ID. First text box fname. Second text box mobile. Then edu, age, exp, and then city. So these all are the name ID for individual text box. Based on ID, you are going to take the value, and after that, we will add inside the existing array of object. So this file was working with everyone. Okay, function 2 we can write. Under function 2, you will create a variable new user equal to curly bracket, open and close. Next, after this, we'll come down. You will copy any user details from the existing array. Any user details you copy from existing array. Complete all. You will paste under the current array. Okay, done till here. Property remains same. Value is also old value. We have one test value. We can change something. Test user. So this is the content of this variable. User, new user. Now new user, you are going to push inside the existing user. That is called your array name is, what is array? Array name is called user. But again, problem is what? Problem is, you can see your the user list where you have stored, it is not a global variable. It is a local variable. How? Because this user array we have created inside the function. So this user variable you cannot access outside. User variable becomes a local variable. It is written inside the function. So if it is written inside the function, other function cannot do anything in this variable. Which variable? User variable. If the user variable will be out of the function, then it will become a global. Function one also will work and function 2 will also work. Okay. So first we need to cut this array properly. Select it. It is still here. Till here. Complete array. You select it. Selected. Cut from here. Cut from here. And after that, paste it outside. Out of the function, you paste it. Paste it where? Out of the function. Before function 1, you can paste it. Complete array what we have, we cut from the function 1 and we paste it before function 1, means out of the function. So that becomes a global variable. User becomes a global variable. So function 1 also can work and function 2 can also work. Both the function will work on same variable. Written. Added outside. Now come next. So in this user variable, easily we can add the new element. Come inside the function 2 and write here. User equal to user dot concat. Concat is a function that will help you to add a object inside existing object. New user you will do here. User equal to user dot concat. C-O-N-C-A-T. Concat is a function of JavaScript. Right. After that, come down and again call the function one. This is for what purpose? To reload the list after adding new element. Okay, written user equal to user dot concat. Now let's run. Click on save button directly. Test user will keep adding in the last. Click on save button. Test user will get added in the last. So it is here. List is coming. You can see one more added. One more is added. One more is added. Every click it will add a new user. Please check once. Getting added? Yes? No? Tell me. Yes, you are going to only one place, one will be there. One, right here, one. No, either one, the second one. Delete this bigger button, that button here. Bigger one, right to that and this will be there. This button is here, right is required there. From the JavaScript part, the same thing, but the array and take out like, but complete array, yes. There array starts. From there to till there, till below. Next we go on. Only the code what to do, not that, button click, button click, button click, button click. Where is the function that we follow button click? Function tool is also here. Where is the function? Button click your function. Where is the function tool? Where is the function tool? Okay. Now we need to make it dynamic. Okay. So come here, and for this, now the value will come from text box. So you will write here document dot get element by ID, which ID, fname dot value, fname dot value. Similar way you will write below mobile dot value. Okay. Below you will write city dot value. Below you will write edu dot value. Edu is the ID of your text box. Then you will write age dot value. Then you will write exp dot value. Okay. So left side is the variable name, right side is the code that is going to bring the value from text box. Working. So it will take the value from text box and give to a full name. This will take the value from mobile field and give to mobile. This will take the value from city field and give to city. This will take the value from edu text box and give to edu field. It will take the value from the age text box and give to age. This will take the value from the exp text box and give to the again exp only. And finally, those values will be added inside the new user as a complete new object, and that new object will assign to the concat with the existing one, and your page should look like this. List is coming here. If I add here the new user, my name itself, mobile number, something, 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 something. Yeah. You can see new user got added. You can increase the number of column, make 6. So 6 column will come in one line. Auto, you can write 6 times in the CSS part. Auto, you write 6 times. So 6 column will get created. Now we need to clear the text. Hello. No. Tell me. Today you. Okay, so let's go ahead and write here call. Now clear the text box. How to clear the text field? Call this document.getInVid dot value equal to empty. It will clear the text field right here. Now to clear text field, to clear the text field, this line you have taken the value and you given to the variables, and storage happening, list also happen. Now after listing, the text box should become clear. Okay. This is going to clear the all the text field. Check now. Text box is getting clear. Opening. Not clear. Value also appear in the. And try to add here 6 field total. Auto, auto, and auto. So total 6 field will get added in the same line. Two, 4, 6. So 6 column will get added in the same line. Four are coming. Let me go here. Fifth one came. If I add one more, the sixth also should come in the same line. Correct? After the sixth, the seventh one will go to the new line. Seventh one will go to the. So auto, 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 6 times once you add, 6 column will get added. Okay, so please check the function 2. I will share this code in chat also. Function 2 will come in chat as well. Function 2, I sent complete code in chat as well. It was clear happened. List is also the main, right? And next, after this, the next work will be, we will display one message. When you are clicking on save button, at least name and mobile should be mandatory. If the person has not entered name and mobile both, then we'll say, sorry, yaar, you enter the name. Okay, like a small validation. Go to the people. Okay. Right. Inside this, check here user of full name. Write a condition if new user dot full name. Can you see here full name? Full name get the value from? Full name will get the value from where? Full name will get the value from text box, right? The full name will get the value from text box. So you are checking below in new user object, there is a full name. Okay. Is that empty? If empty, then we'll write a alert invalid input. Invalid input. Right, like this. The new user dot full name. The new user is the object. Inside there is a property called full name. It's getting the value from the text box. If new user dot full name is empty, then we are giving alert invalid input. Else, if name is filled, then we'll allow to add it. Now let's see. Okay, so we can go here and we can now write the else condition. Else open and close the else complete at the end. This all will come under the else part. If name is not filled, then don't add anything. Just give a message invalid name input. If name is filled, then go to the else part and do this all. Okay, written. Now let us check. Without entering any name, click on save button. It says invalid input. Old list will come, but this will say the invalid. Okay. If you enter the name, after that it will take. Name came, remaining all are empty. We can add one more condition, at least mobile number should be filled something. So go here. You will add one more condition. New user dot full name not equal to empty and new user dot mobile not equal to empty. New user dot full name should not be the empty and new user dot mobile should not be empty. Oh, hold on. Or you can apply here. So it says like new user dot full name is empty or new user dot mobile is empty. If anyone is empty, then it will say sorry, you cannot. Okay, invalid it will say. So it says new user dot full name is empty, double equal to empty, or full name dot mobile is empty. If anyone is not filled or both is not filled, it will not allow. It will allow in case if both are filled, then only it will allow. Try leaving the mobile number and check once. Check like this. There will be no showing else. Else start here, else end here. Wait there only. Without it else it was working. What else user dot empty or user dot what is given in the mobile. Value given mobile. No value. Come to the code again. Make it nothing. No value. New user dot mobile. User dot name into or then go to the code. Payment part. Change the title of the text. Type of the mobile title of the text is not relevant. No, very type of the text. Change the text. Update now you modify the code, it will not take half. Then you will take code is not directly. Is that necessary that JavaScript has run those like that? Okay, property whichever you are, keep either all uppercase or keep all as a lowercase. Upper lower combination will confuse you. Okay, upper lower combination will confuse you. Right? So something happen like this. Once you click here, it's appear, right? We will display one message here in between. Like suppose I added call CRM. So the message should come CRM added successfully. Correct? One message should come. Or if you click here, it should say invalid input as a message instead of alert. So first create a place where you want to display the message. This is the BR tag, right? And remove the BR tag and put here one P tag. Write ID equal to MSG. ID equal to MSG and align should be as a center. ID should be MSG and align should be as a center. Okay, message is ready. Now come to the JavaScript part. Inside JavaScript part, we need to send some content to this paragraph. If invalid, then it should display the message called invalid. If added means it should display the message user added successfully. So come up, ID given, ID as a MSG, come up. You are printing here invalid input, alert. This is also we can send to the particular text box, some paragraph, something like this. Document dot get elements by ID. Which ID you want to send? MSG dot inner text equal to invalid input. So it will display the invalid input message. Write this line. Okay, printing message. Check now. Should look like this. Click on this. It says invalid. But when it come invalid, it should come in the red color. When invalid come, it should come in red color. And when it come like save successfully, it should come in green color. So using JavaScript, we have to change the color also. Now come. See how to apply the CSS using JavaScript. Okay. So you will write this line. Document dot get element by ID, MSG dot style dot color equal to red. So JavaScript don't have any property directly. So JavaScript is also calling the style. Okay. And on that style dot color. So in CSS we have a property called color, and using that it's assigning called as a red. Okay. Check now. It will display red message, invalid input. We will copy this two line and we'll go to the else part. We'll copy this two line and we'll go to the else part. At last, When you clear the text box, everything, then you display the message inner text equal to save successfully. Save successfully in which color? Green color. Okay, let's go next. No input, red message. Enter something. Message is coming green color. Save successfully. But when message comes save successfully, name also should come here. Particular name, save successfully. So see, if you look into your code, new user is an object inside what is holding. Full name is there. So we can add that here. Okay, how to add? Let me guide you. You can add like this. New user dot full name plus and give a space here. So new user dot full name will come Ganesh Mahesh, whichever you have entered, and then it will get appended call save successfully. So add this much. Okay, check again. Same, save successfully. You can increase little font size using CSS of those ID called MSG. Can you increase the font size? Through CSS directly, not in JavaScript, in the CSS. Write a ID called MSG and font size 20. It will increase the font size. Go to the CSS part. You will write here called hash MSG. And there you will write font size 20 px. So font size will become little big size. Italic, if you want, you can write here font hyphen style italic. Message will come italic. Okay, so hope ready. Check now. Should look like this. 20 pixel is very 25. How it will be? Will be okay. We'll add something here. Added successfully. Now delete. How to delete? You remember delete functionality? Let's go there. Inside the division only. Under division itself. Which division? Listing part. Go to the function one. You are listing something. Here you have to create a button now. Under the function one, we need to create a button called delete. So data plus equal to button delete. Button. Now you see under the every user, you will have a delete button. For every user, there will be delete button. Ready? Save now. Check next. Every user have the delete button. Now you can write the delete functionality. Right. On click. Call a function. Tell user. Inside that, pass the index. Pass the index and write a del user function. Delete the user from the list and display the message. User deleted successfully. Delete functionality you have did it in the last examples. Single dimensional array. Same thing here also. Array dot splice. And then display the message user deleted successfully. Delete is happening. Right. Daily user function we can write. Okay. Right inside user dot splice. Index comma 1. Hmm. Now you will write here user deleted successfully, or maybe you can write record deleted successfully. Red color you can use, and again call the function 1 to reload the list. Okay, ready? Now some practice is required. Okay. Yeah, suppose we delete here, saying record deleted. But which record deleted? Simply saying record deleted. Now see here, there is college something Ganesh. If I delete, it says record deleted. But which record deleted? Can you display Ganesh deleted? Right? Come here. Before deleting, you need to find out the name that you are going to delete. So create a variable called name equal to user is the array name. Inside you capture the index. And based on index, you can capture their full name. Okay. That you have to do before delete. After delete, you will not get the name. So before deleting the record, you get the name. User is the array name, index is the position, and full name is the property name. So we capture the name of user before deleting and store under the name variable. After that, from array you deleted the record, and then while displaying the message, you need to display here name plus deleted successfully. Deleted from list. From array better. Name plus deleted from array. Name plus deleted from array. Deleting. A message will come. It will say particular deleted successfully. Deleted from list. So what is the logic is, if you write this line after delete, then you will delete Mahesh and message will come Ganesh. Because array will get re-index. I'll show you. Let me show you. Come here. Suppose I went here. I have a list. I'm trying to delete Mahesh. Saying Mahesh deleted from array. So exact same value comes. Okay, hold on. Let me come to the code again. I'll cut this line from here and I will paste here. Where? After delete. So when the user will get deleted, next user will come at that position. Right? Let's see. Now how much difference is going to happen? I added that line below. I'll come here. So now again I'll try to Mahesh. Delete the Mahesh. I'll delete the Mahesh. See what is saying. Madan deleted from array. Madan is here only. So what happened? Last element came to that element, that position. Okay. So before deleting, we have to capture the element. So this line should not be here. This line must be here only. Before deleting, you find out what you are going to delete. Then delete. After that, you will come to know. Okay, it's actual result is coming. Okay, done. Next, after that, one small homework for you. Okay. You will have one text box here, one more text box here, and one more text box here, three text box, and one save button below. Save button below. Save. Save. Okay. This is called item name. This is called item price. This is called as a quantity. Quantity. This is called save button. Now you have one right side block. This is called as a table. It's called as a table. Now how many columns we got here? 3. But while displaying, you will have following columns. One will be called ID. Index will come. Another will be called name. Third will be called price. Fourth will be called quantity. Fifth will be total. Last will be called delete action. It's like this. SL number 0, 1, 2, 3 will come. Here name of the item. What you will enter, that will come. Price of the item will come here. Quantity of the item will come here. Price into quantity total will come here. Total. And there will be call option for delete. Delete. Okay. So suppose serial number 0. Apple. Price 300. Quantity 2. Total will be 600. And a button called delete. When you click on the delete button, this should get deleted. So whichever the item you enter under the text box, click on save, that should come here and delete should work. So this take photo. This is based on array. Okay. This is based on array. Not optional work. If you are not doing that tomorrow, you have to do here only. Clear? Before going to the next level, this is compulsory to do. You need to do and send the photo in group. Okay. If you are not doing, then tomorrow you have to sit here and do. Where? What you did not do? Which file is that? Now you created, where is that? You created, this is working or not? Yeah? This is another. I don't know what error you can send me that file in group or right? This file you can send in the where? In the WhatsApp group. I will free, I'll see you. Yeah. What you written on delete? No, open the code. No? Where is that? Delete function. Off, no, off it. Very crazy below. You left it on, right? Who will use that tomorrow? You are going to use it again, right? Till tomorrow it will be on only. Okay. So daily user, where you call? Daily user, you are calling anywhere. On button click. You call daily on click equal to daily user index you pass. Now go to that function. Daily user, user of index of full name you wrote here. User dot splice index one. After that function when you are calling, come to browser. Come. आ जाइए